Christmas, the best time of year, for Barney and friends to spread Christmas cheer. H is for holly, all covered in berries. A wreath on the door makes Christmas more merry. R is for reindeer, who pull Santa's sleigh, delivering toys before Christmas Day. I is for ice skating on cold icy lakes, a winter wonderland of dazzling snowflakes. S is for sleigh bells that jingle a-ling. A sleigh ride with friends is such a fun thing. T is for the toys in Santa's big pack, like dolls, bats, and balls, and blocks you can stack. M is for mistletoe, hanging over the door, with a hug and a kiss from a friend you adore. A is for angel, with bright shiny wings. Hush! If you listen, you might hear her sing. S is for Santa Claus, who brings such delight. Close your eyes, little one. Santa's coming tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Barney stories, check out my Barney playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.